morning, everyone, and welcome back to another day. So today's Tuesday, 15th of March, right? Right. So we'll be checking in on our previous trades and the new outlook, right? So right now we have in this is gold, and this was the last projection we had on gold. This was the trade we had yesterday, which was not successful, to be honest. As you can see, let me tell you this. All right, so this is it. This was the projection. I was projecting the price to make a bounce of this, and it was set a sell limit right here, and the price actually even came and just went profit by like 5 pips and just came right back down and hit the stop loss. So as this structure got broken, I was expecting it to sell. So later in the day, and that was around uh Asian session, I took a sell, but it was a very short sell. All right, it wasn't really, you know, like a swing trade or something. It was just a very short time down here. I think they're just down here, just a very small profit, and but it was actually a very good trade. But what I'm trying to say is that the price actually, if you check from the daily time frame, right, you can see that the more gold price just keep dropping to trace it back down to here. And if you can check, I'm thinking right the way the thing is moving, I think the price wants to get back here, right, to where the structure actually kept broken from the daily, and before we can get a new move up. So I can say that the gold is on very sentiment, at least for now. So let's see what we can how we can get in right there. You can see the range we'll be looking for is just this range from here to here. This is where we're looking to trade. I think from the London session, unless the price breaks this structure again, then we might be going down. But for now, I think the price might just want to retest this OB before continuing down. All right. So, and as you can see in the 30 minute, this is the 30 minute time frame. The price is already changing character, but so on the outlook, you might be getting in right here. You might want to get in here, but you have to watch out for this or all these structures like that. The price was making lower lows, so you have to um, watch out for this OBs right here. It's going to be easy to set like a buy stop, right? As the price keep changing, right? So the price keep dropping, lower low cases, lower low, lower highs. So we might still be expecting some lower lows, all right? So but to be confirmed, the price has to change the character, like break your structure maybe once or twice. So you might want to be patient to get here before entering, and just about 5 pips stop loss, and then like 20 pips TP or 40. All right. But if you just want to continue with the trend, which is just bearish, because I think the price is on a very sentiment now, but there's still chances it can go up. All right. From the technical, it's bearish. Fundamentally, I think we're still bullish. So I'm trying to get a trend right here, but I don't seem to get it. So, but what I'm trying to say is that, as you can see, the price keep creating lower lows. So very tricky situation on gold. Uh unless you want to trade on a 1 minute time frame and you want to trade maybe from here to here, which definitely not interested in. um and this will be just right there, as you can see. So there's still chances for lower lows right here still. Chances the price could come down here, even break down. So I'll be watching out for that. I'll be watching out if the price is going to break. All right, this structure is going to come down. All right, on the 30 minutes. if the price is going to break here, right, or we're going to continue, or it's going to break the to the upside, then we can be looking right to take it for longs. But if you go to the 1 minute time frame, you can see that as the price is ranging, you can easily get a sell entry. It's going to be really short term, and what can I say? Yeah, short term. You know, to me, I'm not just. I don't think I want to trade this right now. I'll be looking at the 50-minute time frame for break of structure right here, and we're going to see how that goes. So moving on, and we can talk about Euro USD. Yeah, Euro USD. We actually took a trade pre-London session, which was a successful. So I took about this 3 pips or 2 pips stop loss, and the trade was right here. So it's activated. All right, so I put sell limit down here, and people are like, "Oh, I should have put a sell limit down here." That is true. Sell limit, another sell limit could have been here, but the price has been testing here for quite a while, 1, 2, 3 hours. The price could just start off here, and we could have London session opening around this side, but I think London session wanted to open right here, so I took a hell of 2 pips right here. Yeah, I think it's 2, 3 pips. So that was our pre-London session. So moving forward, all right. So let's say we have what I'm trying to say on Euro USD with what I'm seeing on the 4 hour time frame is that um the price is changing, the way it's moved, it's changing character. Like we're supposed to be getting a bearish continuation from here, right? But as you can see, the price broke the structure, which is very significant because we might be getting the longs from here on. All right. So if you check it from the daily time frame, we had a higher high right here, lower high. You can see the price tested on this low. So moving to the 30 minutes, which is going to keep us to refine the orders. Just you can see the price is kind of creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. You can see. So we should just be patient, all right? On Euro USD, I think we should be patient and give it time to actually see where it's going. To be honest, because any moment we could see it break the structure, and then we have a bullish, a bullish structure. People will be going long, right? But for now, it's still bearish because of this. OB is still holding, all right? So you might still be looking for for sales, but because of this OB right here, but anything can happen, right? We can have another candle, this 1 hour candle breaking right here by needle section, and we might be taking it from there, longs, and that's it, right? Because if you check it the way it's moving now, you can see that it's creating highs. It's creating highs, higher lows. Created a low right here, reacted to this structure right here, and then it created this highs again. You can see. So this structure is already broken. So now we have new OB right here. So I would say be careful, right? Don't rush into Euro USD now. Don't say you just want to get in without a plan. All right, so I'm watching very carefully to see if it's going to break back to this over breakdown here, or it's going to react and we might be getting bullish continuation from here. So you might be thinking coming down here continuation, or if the price is going to break this structure. So that's the two thing on Euro USD 30-minute time frame. Watch out. So moving on, I think the last pair in is NZD USD. Personally, I'm not trading NZD USD, but looking at the analysis I gave out yesterday. All right. With the analysis I gave out yesterday, you can see that the price has actually broken this trend. Right. So we are on a bullish trend, but this has the moment it touched there, right? The price broke here. I knew the price was going to come down to this trend, and probably is going to get broken. So we're looking at this demand zone, all right? Maybe the price is going to get back here, and that will be a swing trade, right? Because we're on the 4 hour time frame, right? So if the price should break this structure, we might be looking to short it all the way down. Might be watching out for this OBs, right? But this trend that got broken, that's just one of confirmation for a long-term short on NZD USD. So and there's a bit of correlation with it and Euro USD. So I won't be so sure about selling it for a long time for now. But looking at, for me, I'm still just looking at the price is going. I'm not getting it. But if you want to get in, there's actually, you might be looking at this. So the price on the 1 hour time frame has broken the air and has come back here. So you might want to use your Fibonacci to get where this retracement is going to end and how you're going to get into the market. So I'll be looking for 61.8 and 50% of where of the trend. All right. Right. So with the Fed, okay. All right. So this is the 50% right there. The price actually tested 50%. All right, and 61.8. Right, so here we have our golden zone. All right, so that's just what I want to mark out for now. I'll be doing that again later. So here is our golden zone. So between 50% and 61.8, we might be looking for shorts around here. And this is the whole view we have here. So like I said, this is enough for my confirmation. If the price breaks around down and down to the downside, yeah, you might be looking to short first. You might be checking this place out. You might be shorting down all the way down here on the swing trade, right? So on the lower time frame, well, the price might still go up here to make a retest. That is definitely possible. So you might be expecting the price to come back here right before actually moving down. So we setting a sell limit down here. I'm on the 4 hour time frame again. I repeat, I'm on the 4 hour time frame. I'm analyzing this from the 4 hour time frame. So first is might be getting a retest down here before bearish continuation or move to the 30-minute time frame. As you can see, you can refine the order. All right, so here we have, yeah, so you can price definitely can retest down there because that's even what I'm thinking it wants to do because we have this bearish trend at the 30-minute time frame we just got broken. So yeah, you might be expecting some bullish to this to here before actually coming down. Yeah, so that's my analysis on NZD. I don't really want to go to lower time frame 5 minute time frame because I'm not, it's absolutely, you can see just exactly what I predicted. The price broke through this trend and you might be getting here to this OB and then look for shorts. And that short will be a long term because we're looking for the price to break this structure and just continue bearish, right? So that's it about NZD. I think we got this covered: NZD, gold, and Euro USD. That's the three things we're looking for. All right. So if anything changes, I'll be updating you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.